Basically, Instagram is Dhurandhar.
Huh.
They could have renamed the app Dhurandhar. That's all I have seen. How was it? And did you speak to the director? Did you speak to Ranveer Singh? How was that whole experience?
We're all in celebration right now, you know?
At a concert recently, you saw something in the audience and you saw there were miscreants.
Security, ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸ਼ਰਾਬ ਪੀਤੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਕੱਢੋ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੰਗ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ Can you guys please remove these two guys? ਆਪਾਂ ਗਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਦ ਤੱਕ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਸੇਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਫੀਲ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਓਏ
Why did you think that was important to do in real time, right? बाद में नहीं.
अगर कुछ हो जाता तो फिर वो हो जाता। ये कोई नंबर्स थोड़ा है जो मेरे कॉन्सर्ट्स पे आ रहे हैं, असली ह्यूमंस हैं यार। लड़के तो मुझे ऐसे ही सुनते हैं, मैं तो लड़कियों के लिए म्यूजिक बनाती हूँ।
वो कौन सा गाना था which you were like, ठीक है, this changed it, this is what it is, and this was that moment, and this was that song.
So जब थोड़ा थोड़ा फेम मिला, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता था कि यार मतलब बढ़िया है, सब लाइक कर रहे हैं, राइट? यार ना मिले जब गाना आया, I think that was 2014-15, it was all over the world. Very popular and viral for the sound of it, for the visual, but nobody knew me that. The music is truly the soul of this film.
Even the first one.
Yes.
It was so bang on. Like, I think the music made it, right? Like, when you saw Akshay Khanna, for example, on that beat, it was like, wait, what just happened, right? I think that's what music does. Or ab kya sapna hai? Like, you wanted fame. Of course you got fame. You wanted recognition. I mean, I don't think, like, this is like slam dunk, right? Like, I'm there. Ab kya?
जो खिलाड़ी लोग होते हैं ना वो खेलते हैं और बाकी लोग कमेंट करते हैं ठीक है ना
the line of the episode. So let's talk about your love affair with Bombay.
जाने मन जाएगा तू कहाँ तू है नूरे नजर मेरी दिल मेरा तुझ पे फिदा जाने मन जाएगा तू कहाँ All India महफिल
I'll just listen. You can just sing. That can be the episode.
Thank you. That is the best thing I've heard. Matlab, isn't that the power of music? Karishma, what a great day it is to have this conversation.
Yeah.
Abhi, literally थोड़े दिन पहले धुरंधर The Revenge release
I have not seen it. Please don't give me any
मैं
spoilers.
कोई spoilers नहीं
please.
दूंगी 100%.
Okay.
I will create a lot of suspense today though. मैं थोड़ा तो बोलूँगी. यार, अभी थोड़े दिन पहले धुरंधर The Revenge release हुई है and the globe cannot seem to talk about anything else. Film, उसका music, all the actors, all the singers, like the music is truly the soul of this film.
Even the first one.
Yes.
It was so bang on. Like, I think the music made it, right? Like, when you saw Akshay Khanna, for example, on that beat, it was like, wait, what just happened, right? And I think that's what music does. And I'm so excited to watch the second. I've not got tickets, by the way. I've been trying.
What a great struggle it is to have कि हमारी film की tickets ही नहीं मिल
In
रही
the
किसी को.
theater.
In the theaters.
In times when people are like, लोगों को theater कैसे लाते हैं? It's been sold out. I've just not gotten tickets. And I was in Delhi. So I was like, "Chalo, I'll see in Delhi also. Sold out. Then I landed in Bombay. I was like, Bombay तो मिलेगा ही. Sold out.
California, New York में भी यही हाल चल रहा है.
It's beautiful. So उस गाने की कहानी बताइए. How was it so effortless?
I mean, okay, it was created the day of the music album launch. I was at the studio at 4 a.m. with Shashwat, and we were recording and writing the song the day that the music album launched. The day that we performed the songs was the day that it was recorded.
What?
कुछ parts हमने 3 महीने पहले लिख लिए थे, record कर लिए थे, and it was finalized the day of. Can you believe? I mean, how else? और क्या होता है करिश्मा? Right?
Yeah.
मतलब एकदम से पूरी एल्बम बनी हुई है, बहुत एक से एक अच्छा गाना है, और एकदम से एक गाना आता है जी, जो कि आपको लगता है कि it's nice, it's beautiful, it is very true to the feeling of loneliness and betrayal and loss. And myself, along with the whole team, we could not have imagined what that song has done. And अभी literally all Indians worldwide are literally talking about that song. हमारे सारे गाने बहुत अच्छे हैं और जिस पे बिल्कुल भी हमने स्ट्रेस नहीं डाला, प्रेशर नहीं डाला और ऐसे ही बड़े प्यार से थोड़ा सा दर्द हमने गा दिया, हमने क्रिएट कर लिया यार. एंड सतिंदर सरताज, he is the pride of Punjab. He is a true poet and he has sung the hook, you know, सानू सारियां विसरगियां रावां वे केड़े पासे जाइए सजना. And the world is crying listening to the whole song, but especially that line, because हम सभी ना थोड़ा थोड़ा तो lost हैं ही हैं और हम सभी बहुत टाइम से घर ढूंढ रहे हैं. और ये जो गाना है ये ऐसे बन गया कि it reminds you of the true purpose in life, which I feel like is to come home to yourself, you know, and just to be home, you know. सब बंजारे बन के घूम रहे हैं और ये हमारा जो गाना है इसको सुन के सारे बंजारे रो रहे हैं इस टाइम.
Yeah, I agree. You have to sing it for us. How many ever lines, but we hope you sing the whole thing, but whatever.
Yeah.
We'll take anything.
Oh my God, I literally just wrote the song and I was performing it the evening of at the launch. But it's really, really beautiful. It's literally, I'm saying ke baddalan cho digde hanju आँख मेरी फिर भी रोई ना. मतलब कि the clouds are crying, yet I'm not crying. That I'm strong, or I've cried enough. You know, it's open to interpretation. You know, कैसी प्रीत लाले रब्बा, ऐसी प्रीत लाले रब्बा, बदला चो डिगदे हंजू, आँख मेरी फिर भी रोई ना. ऐसी प्रीत लाले रब्बा, जैसी होर कदे होई ना. तेरे जान तो मैं बाद एक दिन सोई ना. सारा शहर बेगाना इत्थे मेरा कोई ना. फिर प्रीत किसे दे नाल कदे होई ना. ज़माना ज़ालिम तां वी रोई ना. सारे रंग वेख ले हुण कोई डर नहीं. जोंदी रहू आशिकी ये कदे ना मरनी. चाहे तुरदी रवां मिलना ना कर, चाहे तुरदी रवां मिलना वे कर नहीं. And the line that strikes my heart every time is इत्थे ना कोई दिल दियां दसदा. Everybody's performing, right? And कई बार बचपन से इतना ट्रस्ट टूटता है and बड़े होके इतना बिट्रेयल फील होता है ज़िंदगी में हम सबको कि ये जो लाइन है सबको बड़ा स्ट्राइक कर रही है कि यहाँ पे कौन ही सच बोल रहा है यार. Everybody's wearing a mask and everybody's doing a performance and कोई ना इत्थे दिल दियां दसदा. And then the line, सानू सारियां विसर गईयां रावां वे केड़े पासे जाइए सजना. Like I forgot all the ways that lead to my home, and that's where I am right now. I'm lost.
Basically, Instagram is Dhurandhar.
Haan.
They could have renamed the app Dhurandhar. That's all I have seen and that's all I have heard. And I'm like, ticket nahi mil rahi hai, mujhe spoilers nahi chahiye, right?
Yes.
How was it? And did you speak to the director? Did you speak to Ranveer Singh? How was that whole experience?
We're all in celebration right now, you know. The whole team, Aditya Dhar, Shashwat Sachdev, Ranveer Singh, the whole Sara Arjun, we are so happy. These are the people I've actually spoken to. Baki sab bhi kafi celebrate kar rahe honge because when the whole team wins, it's a big victory.
Yeah.
We all won. Abhi to film 2-3 दिन पहले release हुई है, but we all feel like we won.
Yeah. I know everybody in my circle is like suddenly going to the theaters.
Yeah.
And I'm like, what's going on? It's madness. But because the first one was so great, like I've watched it on, like, it's on Netflix, so I'm just watching it again. Because I'm like, I can't go for 2, I'll just watch 1 again.
Yeah.
Just to, you know, that FOMO factor.
You have to watch the second one.
Of course. But ticket de do mujhe. Please,
I'll see
please.
what I can do.
Yeah. Oh my God! Yes, best mehfil ever. You know, we called you only so that we're like tickets to milenge.
मुझे दिल की बात पता है.
No, but seriously, and tell me, how does your family feel? How do your friends feel? Like, are they like, wow, we know her, right? And like, we've seen her struggle and we've seen her pain, and now this, where it's like global. It's truly global, and I think it's the best film of the year. Not like best Indian film, best film. So, tell me.
I think it's the best Hindi film of all time.
Wow.
Now that's a massive statement, but it's so appropriate. मतलब और बताओ कितने सालों में ऐसी कौन सी फिल्म थी धुरंधर या धुरंधर द रिवेंज से अलावा जिसने सबको हिप्नोटाइज ही कर दिया, जिसने सारा सोशल मीडिया टेक ओवर किया हुआ है, जिस फिल्म को देखने के लिए टिकट नहीं मिल रही थिएटर्स में, you know? I mean, I have not seen a frenzy like this in many, many years, you know? And I happen to be a part of it. I am so lucky. Matlab, I feel like my prayers have been answered. You know? I feel like a lot of us have been so invested, you know, in this masterpiece that is Dhurandhar the Revenge, you know, that people are feeling it globally. People are really, really feeling it. The music, the movie. People are falling in love with all the actors, the characters, the story. I don't know if anybody from the team has said this or felt this, but I think from Aditya Dhar to Shashwat Sachdev, from all of the cast and the crew, I feel like pure intentions is the reason that the movie, the songs are being celebrated globally. Intention is everything.
Yeah.
That is the one thing you don't have to tell anyone. It's God. God sees it all, right?
Yeah.
And you are rewarded publicly what you do privately.
So it's so funny that you say that, because जब मैंने धुरंधर देखी, I remember very distinct feeling that I want to make something this good in any format, right? Like obviously I'm not a director or I'm not a filmmaker, I'm not a singer, but whatever I do, I want to make something so good that people appreciate it and people are like, wow, it's a beautiful creation. I remember thinking that, and now you're saying it, so I guess we're connected.
It's very beautiful, you know, and what a great thing it is to have Dhurandhar, and now Dhurandhar the Revenge, to set a milestone for art, for storytelling, for music being the soul of the masterpiece that is Dhurandhar the Revenge, you know, and मतलब एक यार level set हो गया, अब तो कुछ बहुत अच्छा करना पड़ेगा ना,
बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा करना पड़ेगा.
Musically. And for Hindi cinema, you know, I'm from the music world, so अब तो कुछ बहुत ही pure और बहुत ही passionate और intentional करना पड़ेगा ना, क्योंकि the audience now is gonna be hungry for the real thing.
तो आप you were talking about women and
Yeah.
girls at a concert recently. You saw something in the audience and you saw there were miscreants and you said मैं नहीं गाऊंगी जब तक इनको निकालो ना. Why did you think that was important to do in real time, right? बाद में नहीं कि वो कौन थे, क्यों आए थे, क्यों ऐसा हुआ. On stage, in the middle of your performance, when the world is watching, you said no.
अगर कुछ हो जाता तो फिर वो हो जाता है, you know. I was actually about to sing the most important song that I ever sing on my concerts, which is Baddal. We were just singing it,
Yeah.
you know. It is a cult classic, and anybody who really, really loves me as an artist loves that song the most, you know. And मैं बदल गाने वाली थी, and I had given this intro about that dreams do come true, and you know, love is everything. I said something along those lines, and I said, यार मैं इत्थे प्यार दियां गल्लां कर रही, तुसी उत्थे लड़ी जा रहे हो. One girl, maybe two girls, they were struggling to like, it just felt like a struggle, and I got distracted, you know, and I felt like यार ये क्या चल रहा है, बिल्कुल मेरे सामने चल रहा था और वो तंग हो रही थी. और I say things like that at a lot of my concerts. If somebody's being bothered or pushed around or disrespected, I do say things, but this time it got highlighted, you know, कि I saw a lot of news channels post that. I mean, how beautiful is it that became news? Because that's but how surprising is it that had to become news?
Yeah.
कि एक आर्टिस्ट ने अपना शो रोक के किसी लड़की की रिस्पेक्ट के लिए, उसकी सेफ्टी के लिए सिक्योरिटी बुलाई और एक्शन लिया. मतलब ये कितना बेसिक चीज़ है, बट इट्स बिटर स्वीट कि हम इस चीज़ को न्यूज़ क्यों बना रहे हैं. बट इट्स स्वीट बिकॉज चलो शुक्र है कि एंड आई गॉट अ मैसेज फ्रॉम द गर्ल.
Really?
She goes, you stood up for me.
Yeah.
She goes, you stood up for me. And I said, I love you, baby girl. You know? And it was beautiful because every person matters. ये कोई numbers थोड़ा है जो मेरे concerts पे आ रहे हैं, असली humans हैं यार. You know? और लड़कियाँ मतलब लड़के तो मुझे ऐसे ही सुनते हैं, मैं तो लड़कियों के लिए music बनाती हूँ.
That's so nice of you to say.
It's the truth.
Yeah.
It's the truth. I make music for girls, and I've said it again and again and again क्योंकि ये चीज़ सच है. And the boys love my music, and I really respect my male audience. But मैं लड़कियों के लिए गाने लिखती हूँ because उनका ही मैं शीशा हूँ. They see themselves in me, and I see myself in them. You know?
Yeah.
As now.
Yeah.
When Shah and I met, it was such an energizing saga of studio sessions. मतलब जब धुरंधर रिलीज हुई थी उसके लिए मैंने शरारत लिखा था, and धुरंधर टाइटल ट्रैक जो था उसमें मैंने one and only calling out all the phonies, gold of them all, धुरंधर. It was so powerful. It's literally so powerful that it's the last song on my set list in my concerts. It's that big.
Yeah.
You know, just when I had just मतलब अभी उसका ही नशा नहीं उतरा था कि धुरंधर 2 में बहुत सारे गाने आ गए हैं.
Spoilers आएंगे. That's why you're like checking.
I'm just trying not to say too much because गाने बहुत अच्छे हैं.
But I listen to the songs. As in, playlist सुनी है मैंने, बस film नहीं देखी है.
So tell me which one's your favorite from Dhurandhar The Revenge?
I don't know the name. First
I'll
one
tell you
is
the
I know
name.
the names because you know when you see it, you relate to the name of the song for some reason. तो वो relation नहीं हुआ है. Like the first one I remember, right? Like which
When you see the film, you'll know.
exactly,
हाँ.
exactly. Like now I hear it because office में it's constantly playing. Like somebody or the other is playing, so I know which song is what. But वो connectivity नहीं हुई है अभी तक.
So जाइए सजना की तो पूरी connectivity
Yeah, of
है.
course, of course.
है
Yeah.
ना?
That and Justine is obsessed. Like she's made all of it. Like as soon as it was out, she was like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So वो तो that has happened. Yes.
है ना? एक वो है, एक आरी आरी तो पूरा फेमस चल रहा है,
Yes,
राइट?
yes.
वो हमारा पहला गाना था. It was like the title track, है ना? And उसमें I've sung 4 lines and it's beautiful. It happened out of nowhere. And सबसे पहला गाना पता क्या गाया था और लिखा था? I think it was मैं और तू,
Really?
which is such a powerful, such a fun song. And जाने मन जाएगा तू कहाँ, तू है नूरे नजर मेरी, दिल मेरा तुझ पे फिदा. जाने मन जाएगा तू कहाँ, तू है नूरे नजर मेरी, दिल मेरा तुझ पे फिदा. टकराएंगे महफिल में और होगी गुफ्तगू, तुझे मिल टकराएंगे. Yeah, the first melody. See, I'm singing the first melody. The melody that was decided was टकराएंगे महफिल में और होगी गुफ्तगू, तुझे दिखला दूंगी तारे जब होंगे रूबरू, मैं और तू.
So beautiful.
I just wrote it, so I don't know the lyrics by heart. I
That's-
literally just wrote it like 2 weeks ago.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Like one would not be like this is 2 weeks ago. It would be like oh they prepped and then it came together. So
But the best things happen literally so fast,
I
you know?
agree.
Because
Yeah.
there's nothing in the way. It's like the song is yearning to be like sung and written, you know? And so, yeah, that was the first song I wrote and I sung it. It comes in a very powerful. I got so lucky. I got so lucky. Karishma, when you see the film,
oh, when you show me the film.
when I will get the tickets, like today, we will arrange the tickets.
Yeah.
Like, yaar, what a great struggle it is to have. I get so excited कि कोई मतलब पहले तो मुझे नहीं टिकट मिल रही थी. Like 2 days ago मैंने आफत मचा दी. मैंने कहा आज ही देखनी है फिल्म. I cannot wait till tomorrow to go somewhere. मुझे आज ही देखनी है. कहीं भी दिखा दो मुझे फिल्म. And I saw it. It started at like 10 and it ended like at 2. So
And you know what's amazing is that in the times of reels and short form content, people are loving a 4-hour film and being. I saw a story on my Instagram saying, I wish the film didn't end. That's insane. How do you create that? That's just phenomenal.
Good intentions and years of hard work. Matlab, Aditya Dhar is being celebrated by Indians worldwide. I love that for him. I love the success that Shashwat Sachdev is experiencing. Matlab, God bless them. क्या ही उन्होंने दिन रात एक करके यार. मतलब Shashwat is so obsessed with creating something beautiful and out of this world. मतलब सुबह उठते ही after he prays he sits on his piano and he's composing. मतलब उसकी सारी life दिन रात सुबह शाम he is just an artist. He's a good friend as well, but you know what I mean?
Yeah.
He is
The
just
two
an
are
art-
very different. Yeah.
उसका और कोई मुद्दा है ही नहीं जिंदगी में. And Aditya Dhar as well, the conversations I've had with him have been so life-changing and so encouraging, you know, and I admire him so much. And I just posted an Instagram reel appreciating the team, and for Aditya Dhar I said, "Ke your intention is as pure as a snowflake before it touches the ground." And isiliye he deserved victory, na? He deserves victory and appreciation and love, because that is when power is in the right hands. You know, that is when you can create a masterpiece that not only creates a milestone, the biggest, massive, successful film of Indian cinema,
Yeah.
and also you can make people feel something.
100%. Like you do. You feel that. You feel what the actor is feeling. And you don't even remember it's an actor. You're like, this is the person, right? Which, of course, we have to talk about Ranveer Singh. What about, how has the experience been with him? How did you share this with him? Because, like, he's just, it's unbelievable, right? What he's pulled off. Like, it's like, I have fully believed this is him. I'm not watching a film. This is the person.
What a thin line it is, right? To merge into the character.
Yeah.
It must be. You know, I deeply admire him, and I think he's such a kind, gentle soul that explodes when he feels loved. He explodes into 1,000 fireworks when he feels loved, and it is a celebration to see him succeed. And I'm in awe of Ranveer Singh. I am in awe of all the actors, Sara Arjun.
So nice.
And they're not only just really great actors, they're very good people. And I've always believed that good people win. Good people always win. Maybe not immediately, but eventually, you know. And we were just launching the album of Dhurandhar The Revenge, and I said something at the end of Jaiye Sajna, which was not rehearsed at all. I felt it and I said it. I said, everybody turn your flashlights on at this moment. And I said that something along the lines के अगर ज़िंदगी में किसी ने कुछ powerful किया है ना, उसने बहुत सारी pain भी feel की है. And I was looking at the audience that was in front of me, and on the left side was Ranveer, Shashwat, and Sara. And I spoke to them, and I spoke to my audience, and when Ranveer and I met, he said, I will remember that for life. That turning pain into power is true alchemy, you know? Matlab, whatever cards you're dealt, let's make the most out of it. And whatever pain you feel, let's turn that into power, you know? वो मतलब पता नहीं कैसे मैंने बोल दिया, but मैंने feel बहुत किया था जो मैंने बोला. And he felt it, the whole team felt it, the fans felt it. And I remember when I was singing Jaiye Sajna, and when I was singing, at one point, I said, Vaheguru Ji, because I felt like this is what I prayed for. This exact moment where I'm being loved and so appreciated. मतलब बहुत प्यार था उस रूम में, बहुत प्यार. मतलब loud chaos और frenzy होती है concerts में, but उस रूम में बहुत प्यार था, बहुत appreciation थी. सारी टीम इतने प्यार में थी, and सब एक दूसरे को इतना appreciate कर रहे थे. The actors and the musicians and the team behind the scenes, and it was all love. And I had very good conversations with Shashwat. He's my bro, you know, we talk all the time. With Ranveer and I, we only meet on stage when we're celebrating either it's Dhurandhar or it's Dhurandhar the Revenge. I spoke to Sara. She's such a kind soul, you know. We spoke for 15 minutes. And ऐसे, you know, just आँखों में आँखें डाल के प्यार वाली बातें की, you know, appreciated each other. And oh my God, that night was something I'll never forget, Karishma. It was, when I go on stage, I just go blind. मुझे नहीं कुछ दिखता. And yet I am singing all the lyrics mostly correctly. And yet I am like looking at my audience, but मुझे कुछ नहीं दिख रहा होता. I mean, I don't mean it in a literal sense. मुझे कुछ नहीं दिखता. I go blind. मुझे नहीं पता क्या करना है, क्या था, क्यों हूँ मैं स्टेज पे. And when I get off stage, I ask somebody from my team, मैंने ठीक गाया ना? मैंने अच्छा किया ना? मैं ठीक लग रही थी ना? मेरा सुर तो ठीक था ना? But when I'm on stage, I'm not even there. And I'm there fully.
Yeah. So difficult to explain.
हाँ.
You're like an instrument or like a vehicle. Yeah.
So मजे आ रहे हैं यार, पूरे मजे आ रहे हैं. मुझे एक blurry सा feel हो रहा है. मतलब ये feeling जो है ना, धुरंधर The Revenge के बाद जो feeling है, I feel. How do I explain how do I feel as an artist? मतलब it took me almost 2 decades to become this overnight celebrity.
Yeah.
And everybody who's listening to us right now, I want the young artists to know कि मतलब अगर बहुत साल fame और appreciation ना भी मिले ना, तब भी करो. Because you never know what turn life will take and you will just be this overnight success. People will say, ये तो एकदम से ठीक है. हाँ, एकदम से हुआ. Sleepless nights, so much dedication, so much discipline. You have to sacrifice your old life for your new life. That is the cost you pay. If you want something great in your life, you have to pay the price. And the price is your old life. You got to let go of your old habits. You got to let go of some relationships. You got to let go of everything you once knew. सब छोड़ दो अगर वो चीज़ पकड़नी है तो. So sometimes I get so passionate about dreams and life's purpose, but यार क्यों ही एक ऐसी ज़िंदगी जीनी जो खुद को ना इंस्पायर करे.
Yeah.
You know, when we're gonna be old and grey, ऐसा ना हो कि हमारे सपने हमारे पास बैठे हुए कह रहे हैं यार अगर थोड़ा सा ट्राई करते तो
हो जाता. सच हो जाता.
तो थोड़ा सा क्या यार जान लगा देते हैं यार. We are born with a dream, right? You have so many dreams in your heart. And when I'm looking at your eyes, I can feel how great this is going to expand into something even greater, what you're doing. Because, और जो तुम्हारा सपना ना वो मेरा सपना नहीं है. जो तुम्हारा टॉप है वो मेरा टॉप नहीं है. You're climbing your own mountain. I'm climbing my own mountain. बस वो mountain climb करके ना view देखना है.
एक साथ.
है ना?
Yeah. From your mountain to my mountain. Say hi.
Hey, that's so good. That's so good.
Yeah.
है ना?
I agree. Yeah.
बहुत कुछ अच्छा करेंगे यार. और हमारे करने से ना मतलब जो लड़कियां हमें देख रही हैं ना वो कहेंगी हम भी कर सकते हैं. किसी को बोल के नहीं कुछ होता. बस खुद करते जाओ.
Yeah. और बोलना भी नहीं है. You can see it and be like, if she can,
हाँ.
I can.
Yes.
I can, and there's going to be millions of people like that who watch you today and say, I got this, and I'm not going to give up. और शायद success अब ना आए, but आएगी, and we work hard towards it.
और कुछ भी लेट नहीं होता करिश्मा. सब कुछ एकदम टाइम पे होता है. मुझे लगता था यार क्यों नहीं हो रहा यार. मुझे ये लगता था 2008 2010 में. That's like a century ago.
Yeah.
फिर मुझे लगता था 2014 में. फिर मुझे लगता था यार why isn't it happening? Where is that feeling? How far is that feeling that I'm feeling right now?
Yeah.
अगर रुक जाती कहीं तो ये देखने को नहीं मिलता ना. बस रुके ही नहीं यार. बहुत बार गिरी हूँ मैं. बड़ी गिरी हूँ मैं. जिदा पंजाबी च कहते बहुत बार डिग्गी हाँ, you know, फिर उठ गए, फिर डिग्गियाँ, फिर उठ गए. And that is the beauty of the courage that we have. That is मतलब हमारे सपने के साथ हमें courage भी मिलती है ना.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I know what you mean, and I hope that people know what you mean also, because I think that जो feeling है it's so special that you have to really feel it and experience it. But वो experience आएगा.
Yes.
अपना time आएगा.
आ गया.
आ गया. You come with a questionnaire and you think, okay, मैं ये पूछूंगी, and then it just goes from one place to another. It's so nice. Another question that I had, right, is looking back. मतलब हम बहुत connect the dots करते हैं, right? कि ये हुआ था, वो हुआ था, etc. etc. वो कौन सा गाना था which you were like, ठीक है, this changed it, पक्का, this is what it is, and this was that moment, and this was that song in your career.
I think ये जो milestones आए हैं मेरी लाइफ में, I think ये बार बार आए हैं. I would say कि सबसे पहले जब मैंने मुस्कान रिलीज़ किया था, मेरा सबसे पहला गाना, जब उसके 1000 व्यूज़ हुए थे, मुझे लगा होगी मैं फेमस. ठीक है, यूट्यूब पे तो बात चल रही है कि लड़की ने अच्छा गाना गाया, राइट? एंड देन फिर थोड़े साल बाद 2008, 2012 में मेरा एक गाना आया था अद्धी राती. So 4 years later, I experienced more popularity. And because at that time I wanted to be popular, you know. तब क्या ही पता था कि म्यूजिक का impact होता है. You know, you're supposed to use your platform and fame and popularity for something, for saying something, for standing up for something, you know, or having मतलब कुछ तो बोलो, इतने फेमस हो, है ना? तो पहले नहीं पता था, पहले तो मुझे फेमस होना था, है ना? सो जब थोड़ा थोड़ा फेम मिला, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता था कि यार मतलब बढ़िया है, सब लाइक कर रहे हैं, राइट? एंड देन यार ना मिले जब गाना आया, आई थिंक दैट वाज 2014-15, इट वाज ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. मतलब मेरी आवाज़, ये वो गाना था where everybody knew like, okay, the song is out, it's a massive project, right? Kick film, and such a great video. So like it was very popular and viral for the sound of it, for the visual, but nobody knew me that much at that time. But it still felt like such a victory. फिर I think, हाँ, पंजाब में मैं बहुत famous हो गई उसके बाद, right? Illegal Weapon, Bum Jut, Sip Sip, Baddal will always be my cult favorite, my cult
जब
fans.
जसलीन ने आके lyrics गाए हैं
Yeah.
with you, like
Yeah.
one-on-one, yeah.
Baddal is that song.
Baddal is
that
that
is
song.
that is the core of who I am as an artist. And थोड़ी सी उसी की झलक ये जाइए सजना में दिखती है. You know, a lingering pain, a longing for something that feels like home, you know. Matlab, yeah, I've been restless most of my life, searching for something that feels good, searching for a family, my tribe, whether it's my family that I was born in, you know, trying to unite them and bring them together and stay together, or it's my soul family, which is my fans, you know. We've met today for the first time ever. You know, not all conversations are this easy.
Yeah, 100%.
You know?
Yeah.
And it's beautiful when you meet somebody and you could just be like, relax ho gaye. You know?
चाय पी रहे हैं.
हाँ, चाय पी रहे हैं.
Absolutely.
So ये गाने थे और तरस ने तो मतलब दुनिया पलट दी यार. तरस गाना वो था, like Bollywood में once again I was the popular voice. It was the Yaar Na Mile girl has now come back with Taras. It felt like that's what the audience connected, right? फिर यार तरस के बाद तो I prayed so much. I have been praying so much, and it is, I would say, 99.9% of the reason why I am here today, even talking about Dhurandhar and my songs, is 99.9% prayer. मेरे पास कोई proof नहीं है, but सच्ची मान लो.
Wow.
हाँ.
वो manifest कर दिया.
हाँ.
वो होना ही था.
हाँ.
Basically.
दिन रात pray किया है. मुझे मेरा यही सपना था, जो अब मुझे real लग रहा है. हाँ.
और अब क्या सपना है? Like you wanted fame. Of course you got fame.
हाँ.
You wanted recognition. I mean, I don't think
हाँ.
like this is like slam dunk, right? Like I'm there. अब क्या?
I want to be the greatest pop star that India has ever witnessed.
Wow. Yes. We are manifesting it today.
Let's go. Let's
We're
go.
manifesting it today.
Let's go. Fingers
it's gonna
crossed.
happen. And then we're gonna cut this clip and send it in.
Why?
Say, देखा यहाँ पे हुआ है.
Yes.
यहाँ पे हुआ है that creation and that energy, and it's gonna happen for you.
Only my journal knows what I just said out loud for the first time. मतलब, यार, why not be the greatest? that you could be in your life.
And why get scared to even dream
है ना?
कि मैं सबसे बेस्ट बनूंगी?
हाँ यार, क्योंकि हम डरते हैं कोई मजाक ना बनाए,
हाँ.
कोई यहाँ पे देख के ये ना कहे अच्छा, पर
तू
ये तो मुझे
बनेगे.
हाँ,
हाँ.
अच्छा तू करेगी, हाँ जी मैं ही करूँगी,
मैं ही करूंगी. Yes.
कह दिया ना, अब तो और भी करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, बस कह दिया.
कह दिया ना.
हाँ.
और ये यार पता है क्या, लोग तो मतलब कहते रहते हैं कुछ ना कुछ, you know, जो खिलाड़ी लोग होते हैं ना वो खेलते हैं और बाकी लोग कमेंट करते हैं. ठीक है ना.
The line of the episode. So मेरा एक idea है, because we can't not talk about Bombay, because I believe that I'm the most passionate propagators of the Bombay dream, because that's all I wanted to build. So I was in college, I was 21, and I was like, humans of Bombay. And ever since I've been chasing the dream, it's been 12 years of running this company, and nothing quite feels like Bombay. And बहुत लोग कहते हैं Bombay is an emotion, but जो आते हैं and जो रहते हैं and Bombay को experience करते हैं, only they can truly say it and truly feel it. And I think that's you. So let's talk about your love affair with Bombay.
Oh my God, it's a true love I have for Bombay. I am deeply thankful to Bombay. Bombay is the one place in the whole world that I could spread my dragon wings in. You know, like Bombay is the one place I could be who I am.
Khaleesi.
Yes, you know, like I could be who I am.
Yeah.
I don't have to. This is the only place where, at one point many years ago, nobody knew me here. So I could literally let go of all the things I've learned, unlearn all the things I've learned, and you know, just become who I was underneath all those opinions and projections of people. And I love who I am in Bombay. You know, the human that I am in Bombay, not the artist. That's a totally different life,
Yeah.
you know. I love going to studio, creating songs in Bombay. I love it so much. But the human that I am in Bombay is like a child. I'm a 5-year-old kid that's having so much fun in Bombay.
Yeah. What's your favorite place in Bombay?
I love Lokhandwala. You know why?
Yeah.
Because in 2016, I moved to Bombay for the first time, right? I moved to Bombay and then I went to Cali, then I moved to Bombay. So मुझे लगता था सारा बॉम्बे लोखंडवाला जैसा है.
Sweet.
कि जहाँ पे आप पहले आते हो आपको लगता है ऐसा
वही
ही
लगता
है.
है, ऐसे ही है.
मुझे आज भी बड़ा अच्छा लगता है यार.
और आज आप कहाँ पे रहते हो?
थोड़ा दूर उससे. थोड़ा.
Bandra.
Could be.
Could be. Okay,
Could be.
So we're playing a guessing game. Okay,
हाँ.
okay, you have to say hot or cold.
So लोखंडवाला से इतना भी दूर नहीं हूँ मैं. पर
अंधेरी.
इतना भी पास नहीं हूँ मैं.
अंधेरी, Juhu. A Soho House somewhere nearby.
I love Soho House.
I knew
I
it.
love Juhu. I think Juhu is the heart.
Yeah.
In so many ways, right? I love Bandra. I love Khar. So
And
guess
what's your favorite restaurant? Don't say bougie.
Okay, I've been there.
Okay.
I do like I do like the vibe that it has. I love Tanjore.
Oh, yeah,
I love
Tanjore Tiffin is-
I love
yeah.
that.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my God. I love to eat when I'm ordering home. I love to eat from Project Hum.
Okay.
Henna. I do love bougie.
Bougie? Very bougie.
Bougie. And then there's a Japanese sushi restaurant right next to Bougie.
Izumi.
Yeah. So I do love to go there. And
What about street food?
I love vada pav.
Ashok Vada Pav, have you had?
I had a ghetto street vada pav. I don't know where it is.
Ashok Vada Pav is the best. But okay, we have to.
If it's the best, then I've had it.
We have to go there. Like we have to record you because I don't think you. Okay, where is it?
Oh my God.
We have to take you.
Okay, it's not. It's a Juhu?
No,
Okay, yeah. So I haven't had it.
it is. Okay, so we have to shoot an episode there, and I want to record you taking the first bite of Ashok Vada Pav.
Okay.
It is wow, like wow.
It's like the king of all vada pavs.
Yeah, it's the best in the city.
Oh my God, I love that.
Yeah.
I love the, yeah, my favorite I would say is Tanjore. And then I would say Project Hum is my favorite. I eat there all the time. Baoji is a really cozy restaurant as well. There's really good ramen there. There's a few other restaurants that I love. They're really good, healthy food, but also yummy.
Which one?
All the ones that
All
I
the ones,
mentioned.
yeah.
And yeah, mostly I'm eating from Project Hum a lot. Harvest salad, I like that. There's a place where there's really, मुझे नाम भूल गया, but वहाँ पे French toast भी मिलते हैं.
हम डाल देते हैं यहाँ पे.
Avocado toast भी मिलते हैं.
We'll put a little blip.
हाँ, मुझे अभी भूल रहा है. It's a tip of my tongue, but I can't remember it.
Farmers
But yeah.
Cafe?
No, not that one. I'm thinking of
Suzette.
No, I'm not thinking of that. Hyderabad. It hasn't happened for so long that it's right here on the tip of my tongue. I can't think of it.
Okay, we put it as a name on the screen.
कार में है वो. So जब भी हम स्टूडियो होते थे, जब हम धुरंधर The Revenge के, every time I'm saying Dhurandhar The Revenge, but okay, it's not the first one, but the second one, है ना? Dhurandhar 2? Is it good to call it Dhurandhar 2?
Dhurandhar.
नहीं, The Revenge ही कहते हैं
The Revenge
यार.
ही कहते हैं.
सभी उसको The Revenge कह रहे हैं, तो फिर वही है. So when we were making music for that, we would order from there all the time. So it's by car.
I have no idea.
Healthy food, but also they have French toast there. And
Ooh, I know what you're talking about. Wait, I know it.
What's
It's like
Tip of your tongue?
right, yeah, it's like right there. I know exactly what you're talking about.
Right?
Yeah, I can picture it. I can see the restaurant.
it's got like avocado
Yeah.
toast with the egg
Eggs,
and like
yeah.
you know they've got the French toast
Yeah.
and the coffee. It's a coffee joint.
I know exactly where it is.
उसका नाम one word वाला नाम है.
We'll find it. We'll find it.
चल ठीक है. Let's come back to it.
We'll come back to it. Yeah, we forget about it. Okay, what's the most Bombay thing you've done?
Sat in my balcony and watched the ocean.
Wow.
You know, I
Such
can
a
see the
Bombay.
ocean.
Yeah. And I can.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. Maybe we're neighbors and we just don't know.
Maybe.
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 We'll discuss the address where we live after.
Later. We'll play hot and cold and then we'll see how hot and cold this is. But yeah, that is such a Bombay thing to do.
Sachi, it is. I've written so many songs in the balcony. You know, I mean, I like to roam the streets. I used to roam the streets a lot, like before Dhurandhar. But now,
like, yeah.
Now-
इसके साथ तो selfie होगी.
हाँ.
You wait, go outside an office, सब line खड़ी होगी.
Yes.
कि selfie तो लेनी है. But that's what we prayed for,
I dreamt of it.
and now it's happening. So
Yes.
thank you.
I'm so thankful to be known for the music. मतलब किसी भी reason के लिए मैं famous हो सकती थी, but I am so thankful कि मेरे गानों की बात होती है तो तब मेरा जिक्र होता है. यही चाहिए यार. You know, I don't want people talking about my outfit or like, you know, the way I look or even whatever. I just want to be known for the music. What I wrote, what I sang, what I felt. Did I mean it? Yes, I did.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. 100%.
Yeah.
Nobody can fully articulate how much it hurts or how deep the pain can be. How do you feel about love?
Love is everything. I believe in love. Every milligram, every inch of my body, I believe in love. I believe that love will heal our planet, our people. I believe that love is the answer to most problems. I believe that love is something that you give, and if you're lucky, you get it back. Love is literally everything. And isn't there a beautiful quote by Rumi?
I was just thinking Rumi, and you said Rumi. I was like, she's gonna say Rumi. It's so funny. Anyway, yeah, there are many. There's a beautiful book. It's called The 40 Rules of Love, and it talks about Rumi and how he wrote these 40 different abstract concepts of love. And it's not just romantic love.
Yeah.
It's love, and it's beautiful. So you should, if you haven't read it, or you
I
do
will.
like, yeah.
I will. My dream is to be a bookworm. Like, but I cannot focus more than 3 pages. Like I have so many books at home, but I'm like an audio girl.
Yeah.
You know, audio.
So
book.
what's the quote by Rumi?
So the quote, I think I'll paraphrase. Please, I hope it's right. Love is the whole thing, and we are only the pieces. So love is literally the whole thing. If you don't do anything in your life, just love. It's everything.
Yeah.
You know, so that's what I believe about love, you know, and ये प्यार की search में ही ना, ये प्यार की तलाश में हम बहुत ठोकरें खाते हैं. Heartbreaks are written. I feel like I don't have any proof to prove this, but I feel like before we're born, we sit with God and we say, "Dear God, like I want to experience this in my life. I'm gonna go on planet Earth." And then so like you say that I want to experience true love. I want to experience fame and fortune. I want to experience great health and the love and acceptance of my family. You know, and God says, okay, well, you're going to have to learn a lot of life skills and you're going to have to take a lot of turns and fight a lot of personal battles in order to get to that dream life that you want to experience. And then you say, okay, cool. Sounds good. God says, good. Is it a deal? You're not going to cry through it, right? And we say, I'm not going to cry through it. I can go through anything if you give me this, 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 this blessing in my life. And then sometimes we cry through it and we forget कि ये तो मांगा था.
And it's part of the bigger plan.
सच्ची. और ये जो हार्ट ब्रेक्स होते हैं ना, ये बचपन में शुरू हो जाते हैं. कभी मम्मी दिल तोड़ देती है, कभी पापा दिल तोड़ देते हैं, कभी सिबलिंग्स रिश्तेदार दिल तोड़ देते हैं, फ्रेंड्स दिल तोड़ते हैं. And then I think like we talk about heartbreak a lot when we grow up, like, you know, when we're late teens, early 20s. But our heart is first exposed to our family, right?
So true.
है ना? Like mummy, papa, and then like, you know, family members and like siblings and friends that we meet when we're in school, right? मतलब कहाँ दिल टूटता है, कहाँ आपको betrayal feel होता है कि आपको कोई जगह भी नहीं होती. किसको जाके बताओगे when you're 6 years old or 10 years old or 15 years old कि this person has hurt me, or I feel disrespected, or I feel betrayed. कौन ही सुन रहा है? बच्चों की बात कौन ही सुन रहा है?
I was just with a friend's daughter, Avya, and she really wanted to play with a kid in Delhi, right? ठीक है, तो मुझे उसके साथ खेलना, वो स्कूटी पे थी. So she went and asked, and she was like, "Can I play with you?" And the girl said no. And she was so sad, and she was like so upset, and it was just so heartbreaking to watch her because she was just so down, right? And we don't realize these subtle things, and exactly what you said, that if your first interface with heartbreak is actually your family, because जैसे वो प्यार करते हैं या नहीं करते हैं या कुछ कह देते हैं, is how you learn to identify with love. Overall.
Yes, you learn what love is from your parents, and it is, especially in Indian families, it is so rare to see emotionally regulated parents. It is so rare to see emotionally mature parents who can put their feelings aside and really, really nurture, protect, and guide their children. It's rare. You are lucky, you know. I can only talk about Indian parents because I'm Indian, but like parents in general, matlab, it's rare that you're ready to have a child. You know what I mean? And so, पता नहीं ऐसे, it's बड़ी controversy वाली बात कह दी ना मैंने.
नहीं.
But ये सच है यार.
सच है.
मतलब ये सच है और ये पता भी है, you know, like सारे, you know, people our age or even younger, what does a child need? Guidance, protection, a dear friend. एक तो दोस्त हो family में जिसको भाग के आप कह सकते हो आज स्कूल में ऐसा हुआ और इसने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया. एक तो इंसान हो. And most kids don't have that, and that's isolating. That's such a lonely feeling for kids, for Indian kids, to not have a friend to run to when they're 5 years old, 15 years old, you know. और ये अब हम बड़े हो गए हैं तो हम emotional regulation की बातें करते हैं, but we didn't know these things when we were little. We didn't know कि हमें क्या चाहिए था, you know. I think all Indians need therapy. Parents and their
Controversial ये था.
Yeah, it's true.
It's true.
I have gotten therapy. I have been in therapy for a few years, and you know, I wish that our parents would go to therapy. I wish that couples that are not getting along would go to therapy. I wish that, you know, teenagers who are depressed at the age of 13, 14 should go to therapy. You know, it's a great thing.
Yeah.
It's a great thing to get help. You know, helpless क्यों घूमना?
The song, the music take over you, right? Because up until now you've done few stints, right? You were on stage and you were singing in the bus and you were just emerging. But when did that, okay, I really want to sing, and music is giving you that feeling of passion, and I really like that. When did that feeling happen?
I think when I moved to California.
Really?
Yeah. So like.
How old were you?
We moved to America when I was 12, 13, right? And then a few years later, maybe a year and a half, 2 years later, we moved to America. And I remember things changing for me.
So I'm gonna end this podcast on a question that I've been thinking about, right? And it's gonna be a long one, so that's why I can nudge the topic.
I'll talk for 30 minutes.
Yeah, I can nudge the topic and leave it. Is that it's very difficult to go from not having a support system in that industry and making it, right? No connections. I mean, I know it's a buzzword, but nepotism, nothing, no big daddy, nobody to say, हाँ चलो मैं तुझे music video में डालता हूँ, I'll take your song, but you did it, and did it and how, and now you're here, and you're looking at that journey in front of you, and I also know that you've been in Vrindavan, you've had some spiritual moments. What do you think you've learned, right, about making it on your own? What gave you the strength? When did you turn to spirituality? And what can our viewers learn about the fact that, she did it and maybe we can too? Because that's the most powerful feeling in the world. The feeling of hope, right? That I'm looking at her and I feel hopeful that I'm going to be somebody. And you've done that. You've done that for millions of people. And I hope you continue to do that in much, much bigger and better ways. But so far, what do you think is that strength? Where did you derive that from?
Oh my God, you've opened literally all my tabs. In my brain, there are 20 tabs right now that I am thinking about. First of all, I'm so excited that when I have kids, they're going to be Nepo kids.
Yes.
Because it's cool, right?
Yeah.
It's cool to have like parents that are successful and like famous and have a massive network in the country or in any industry. It is a good thing to like, to help out your next generation, or your family or your friends. It's a good thing. But however, it's God's plan. No matter what connections you have, if your intention and God's divine plan don't align, then it doesn't help you who you know.
Yeah.
Karishma means miracle.
Miracle.
Who named you?
My dada named me actually. Yeah.
That's so beautiful.
Yeah.
What's his name?
Ramniklal.
Oh my God.
But I've met him for like maybe a couple of years. Like I have no actual
Memories.
memory.
You were a baby?
Yeah. So I don't really know.
I never met my Dadaji, but my Dadi, her name is Pyar Kaur.
Pyar Kaur.
Can you believe what her mother must have thought when she named her daughter Pyar?
Pyar.
This is 100 years ago,
Wow.
Pyar.
Pyar.
Yeah.
So
And
sweet.
Sachi. I mean, I don't know anybody named Pyar Kaur
Yeah.
besides my own Dadi.
How sweet.
Yeah.
I have somebody in my life named Sukoon, and I was like, that's the best name ever.
Sachi.
Sukoon is like wow.
And like names do have an impact on how your destiny unfolds.
100%.
है ना?
100%.
नाम में कुछ रखा भी नहीं है पर नाम में बहुत कुछ रखा है.
And how close were you to your dadi?
Oh, very close.
Yeah.
Very close. She was...
Jalandhar mein.
So yeah, basically I was born in Punjab, right? And we lived in Jalandhar for a long time, like a decade, a little bit more than a decade. So still a little kid when we moved to America. My dadi, my parents, my siblings, and then we lived in California for a few decades, So she was my number one fan before I even had a popular song. She was the only one in my whole bloodline that like believed that I would do something great. This is a few decades ago.
Wow.
And she used to say, "Ke pyo dade da na uchcha kari,"
That means like you'll make her name
Yeah,
proud.
her name,
Yeah.
father's name,
proud.
grandfather's name. Like pyo dade da naam uchcha kari, matlab ke, make sure that you bring honor and dignity and shan to your bloodline,
Yeah.
So she used to say things like that, affirm me such positive things. She didn't know that she was helping me believe in myself so much more. But yeah, my dadi was my number one fan, and I want to be like her
Yeah.
when I become a grandma.
How cute. Do you remember that first song that you sang? Yeah, वो कोई एक गाना होता है where you know कि मैंने बहुत अच्छी तरह से गाया है और मुझे और गाना है.
I think I sang on stage for the first time when I was 6 years old. I had no idea what I'm doing.
6 years
I was
old.
a little baby, right?
California में Jalandhar में.
Jalandhar mein,
Jalandhar
right?
में, okay.
I studied in MGN Public School in Jalandhar, and just like all the kids just dance and sing and do arts and crafts. I was in, these kind of classes, and I was on stage one day. I have a photo of myself singing on stage when I'm 6. I do remember a lot of chaos backstage. You know, you have certain core memories. I don't remember the song I sang, but like it was like a circus backstage. Matlab, jaldi karo. And there was like 40 kids that were gonna be on stage at the scene. It was a group performance. And I remember wearing, it's in the photo, like a black and white outfit. I had really red lips and really red cheeks. And I'm 6 and I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous as if I'm the only one on stage. And most of my life I've been really nervous, you know, singing growing up and stuff. I remember singing. Then many years later, I was in maybe 6th grade, you know, so I was like maybe 10, and I sang a Surinder Kaur Ji song on stage, and I forgot the song on stage because I was so nervous, and I cried, and everybody laughed at me because 6th graders are so
Kids are mean.
literally.
Kids are mean. Like I have nephews and I hear some of the things and I'm like, that's so mean.
Yeah.
Like, you know, you have all this awareness and mindfulness जैसे आप बड़े होते हो.
हाँ जी.
लेकिन बच्चा बच्चा है, कुछ भी बोल देगा. And like I think back to my childhood and I think of like all of the things we said very casually and I was like, that's so wrong. Like why
Literally.
did nobody correct us more or tell us that don't say things like that, you know, very casually. So okay, it was so nice to have you, Tinny. और हम part 2 करेंगे और यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा manifestation हुआ है that you'll be number 1 और फिर जब ये हो जाता है we'll do a part 2 and we'll see that and say कि यहीं पे create हुआ था.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much, Karishma.
Thank you.